Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we are going to create this king crown in Creo parametric. So we are not just going to create an entire 3D model of this king crown, like as you guys have seen in the thumbnail itself. Like we are going to create just a view on the 2D. Okay, so not a exact 3D crown. Okay, I'll do that in upcoming videos. But in this video, like we are going to do just as a 2D logo. Okay. So let's minimize this. Let's select the working directory. First of all, I'm just going to select this folder as my working directory, and then let's click on new and click the default template, and let's rename our part as king crown. Okay, so then template spot solid ABS. So then here I'm just going to start my sketch on the front plane sketch view. So then on this, let's get deeper into this diagram. So first of all, you guys can understood like they have given a dotted lines over there. So anyway, like this will be my for our reference. So for the reference, they have given the circle as a diameter value of 125. So let's draw a constitutive circle like this. So they have given the diameter value as 125. So that should be divided by 2 for the radius, 62.50. Okay. So then we are just going to start our sketch from this curve. So if we have placed this curve, like everything can be done with this curve. Okay. So for this, they have mentioned the length as 52, okay, and the stop height as 6. Okay, so then let's go for the normal mode. Let's place 2 points, one from here and one from here. This will be 52, sorry, 52 divided by 2, and here the same as 52 divided by 2, and this height value. Did they have mentioned any height value for this? Nope. So that's the only thing that we have missing it, because they have mentioned here radius, but we need to know about this start point. Without this, like we can't able to create anything, right? So let's keep this value as 10, because this is a kind of reference value. We don't want to worry about that. Okay, let's keep this value as 10 or 15. Like let's go with 10. Yeah, that I think that's fine. I think this is fine. um either I go for 15. Let's check whether this got similar angles or not. Okay, okay, let's keep this. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, enough. So then or else let's keep this to 13. Yeah, okay, that's fine. So then I'm just going to draw a constitutive line like this, and this line that will have an height value of 6. As you can see here, like they have mentioned this height value as 6, right? Yep. So then we can directly um, draw a 3-point tangent and arc from here till here, but the midpoint that should be meets with this constitutive line. Okay, that's a radius value for this. Okay, so the next thing here is like we can create this line, all right? So this line will have a angle of 53. So let's draw a line up to the circle. So angle dimensions like from here till here, this will be 53. Okay. So then one more line from this edge to here, that will have an angle of 46. Line like this, and this will be 46. Okay, that's fine. So we don't have any angle for creating this line with this reference with this line. But instead of this, like they have provided a value of height value of 23, and from that height value there will be divided by two lines, which will be coincidence with this outer circle, which has been created by our by us, like with the constructive circle, right? Up to the constructive circle, and then they have have a value of 94 angle with an equally spaced there. Okay, 94 and 23. Okay, fine. First of all, let's keep point. Okay, so dimensions from here till here, this will be 23. uh, yep, sorry guys, like I just want to delete this from here till this curve. This will be, oops, let's keep from this constructor line 23. Okay, 23, right? Yeah, 23, and the angle will be 94. Line from here and here, dimensions, this will be 94 divided by 2, and on here the same as 94 divided by 2. Yeah, when we have this angle, this will be, anyway, like this will be 94, right? Yeah. So then we have to create this line that will have an angle of 53. So let's draw a line like this, and this will be 53, right? Let's check for the one more time. 53, right? So we can directly delete the unwanted segments which have a coincidence with this already previously created line, right? So then again, like we don't want this line anyway, like we are going to directly mirror all these things on the opposite side, because as you can see they have not mentioned any angle for these lines, because anyway like this will be the same as the same for the opposite side, right? So let's go for the select. Let's select all these lines. Press your, like, hold on your control key for this. Okay, let's mirror it towards the other side. Okay, sometimes like you can see this constraint will not be highlighted here. Okay, let's close this by one. Oops, it's like this line. Delete. Okay, now that's fine. Let's place here. And now you can see this has got created here, right? We got created this feature, but one more thing that we have left with that is we have to create this top round features. So that will be 4 into diameter of 8. Okay, I think that's so simple. Let's draw a circle first of all like this with the equal constraint for all these circles, and then let's assign the diameter value of 8 here, and then let's go for the delete segments, and let's delete these three segments here, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3, 1 2 and 3. Okay, so now that's all guys, like we can directly extrude this. So I just want to extrude this to a value of 5, and anyway like this will be symmetric because we are going to add some more features inside this. Okay, like we have created this body feature, right? So let's add some more features to make this part really looks good, right? So first of all, on this top, let's have a reference like here. I'm just going to create some round features here. Okay, okay, and this will have an extrude of 2, and that will be, sorry, blind options, blind on the side 2, like 5 plus 2. Okay, this is got same here. Okay, so then I just want to add some round features here. Okay, like either before that I just want to edit the extrude value to value of 1, and for the side blind I just want to add 6 on the side 2. Now if I go for the round, yep, this is what I want. Okay, okay, round for all these. Okay, for this, for this, and for the last these two. Okay, let's close this. Okay, so the next key features that I'm going to add is let's select this face again, extrude, go for the extrude sketch view. Anyway, like this is a kind of for the design, right? So I don't want to measure any dimensions over here, just by our own reference. Let's keep a reference. Okay, okay. So then, okay. So offset loop on this line to a value of 2. Oops, I think this is too big. Okay, I don't want this. Offset loop for this one. Let's keep a value of 1.5. Yeah, that's fine. And let's draw a line to close this loop. Yeah, or else like if we need to end up with this curve, like we can able to create this, right? So let's delete this line, and let's have a reference for this curve so that we can able to find the center point. So by using that center point, we can create a center and end arc by holding this point. Okay, this is not merging, that's fine. Okay, let's join it with some other else. Okay, and one more point, like here, like here. Okay, so now let's delete these two. Let's join a line like this, and for here let's delete this one. Okay, it looks fine. Okay, and I just want to extrude this to a value of 1 for on this side, but for the side 2 as a blind value, as a value of 6 on the back side. Okay, this looks good, and either like if I want to add something else. Okay, so let's have a reference on this, and center and ends arc. Okay, like this, and one more arc like this. Okay, let's draw a line. First of all, let's keep a reference on this and parallel. Okay, okay, reference for this and a parallel line. Okay, now let's delete these segments. Okay, and I just want to extrude this to a value of 0.5, and on options side to blind 5 point sorry yeah, 5.5. Okay, and either like if I want to add something else like this ball features, like I can add. Okay, let's try that. 1 2 3. Okay, let's have a mirror. This one mirror on the opposite side. Okay, okay, and I just want to extrude this to a value of 1. Okay. Oops, sorry, on the side 2 also I forgot about that. Side 2 blind 6. Okay, Oops, sorry, this is not 6. I think this value will be a little bit different. So 6 point, 6.5 or okay, 7. Yeah. Okay, so round features for this, this one. Okay, so we have done this, guys. So the next important thing, so that makes our part perfect, right? So that's the thing is coloring, and either like I want to create round features for this side. Either if I make too much of round, this may be split up, right? Let's keep 2.5 and let's check whether this is working. Yep, I think this is good. Okay. Um, oops, sorry. This one and the opposite this one. Let's check whether this is fine, but if it is not good for you, we can like accept this part. Okay. mm, I think this is somewhat good when compared to the previous thing. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so now let's give some appearances for this part. So yeah, for the appearances, wait a minute, just a minute, guys. Okay, yeah, let's go for the view appearances, and under the metals we have gold, right? Gold sketch for this one. Okay, and okay, sorry, for the entire part. Okay, so the next thing is like we have to use some separate coloring for this stripes that we have created. So the normal red color for this and for this and for this and for this. So the same should be on the back side. Okay. Okay, now it looks like okay, let's go for the appearances, and let's edit this gold color first of all. Edit, and let's go for the bump. That needs to be a rough. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, now it looks good. And for the coloring, I just have some separate code for this. So this will be to 10.4, and this will be 174.6, and this will be a very minimum value of 1.5. So that will give exact gold color, right? Close it, and now you can see this looks like a gold color, but this red, that this doesn't look good, right? Because this is highlighted thing here, so that should have some separate color here, right? You can see this gold looks like exactly like a crown, right? So appearances, so now let's edit this red color. Okay, just a minute, like I have already noted a color code for this. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so this will be I think this be metal. Okay, so for this metal, um, we keep like this, we may have some good view. For the bump, I'm gonna just keep this as a rough, but for the height, I'm just going to keep a value of 10, and for the scale, I'm just going to keep I think this 20 is fine. Okay, this looks good, right? Yep, like a exact ground. Okay, let's close this. Let's regenerate sometime. Okay, so that's all, guys. So thanks for watching. I think you guys will like this part. So if you want more videos related to mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below. So that's all, guys. That's all for this video. So we will see next video with a very interesting content. Until then, bye.